Hi Miguel, welcome to my show. What will you do? To be killed or to kill yourself? Come on, speak up!
Where am I? Oh my god. Who are you?
I'm Jigsaw, your lovely friend. So, what will you choose? This, or this? Oh! Who the fuck are you? Get out of here!
Umiihi lang ako eh.
Back to our show. So now, Miguel, what will you choose? To die or to be killed?
I don't know. Where am I?
Sabon yan.
What?
Where am I?
You're here at
Where?
Idris house.
You are at 4970 Colonel E. De Leon Street, Santo Niño, Parañaque City.
What?
Here at the beautiful place of Parañaque. So now, we have an offer for you. Pay your ransom bill or to be my sex slave. What will you choose?
I wanna pay my ransom money.
So, you will pay 5 million pesos and 93
Yes.
pesos.
So tell my fucking liar to withdraw money.
Are you telling me I'm your fucking liar?
No, my lawyer, not you. Your pocket.
No, I'm your lawyer.
No, my lawyer is handsome.
Me, I'm Hamzan. Look,
No, I can't see. You idiot.
see that? That is Jake Cuenca. I'm your attorney. Please try again later.
And I wanna kiss you in your lips. That's so special. It will be my last first kiss. You understand that?
Yeah, so I'll
So-
pay this one.
What?
I'll pay my ransom.
I don't want you to pay. I want you to suffer.
What's happened?
To eat, you're so tanga. The last supper.
Fuck you.
Oh, you're fucking me?
No, your face.
You fucking my face?
No, your face is like.
So you think I'm a gay?
No, 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 no.
What? What are you thinking of me thinking of you?
Because you're ugly.